Okay, so today I went out and bought the Zippo Flex Neck Utility Lighter. And this one actually has a lifetime guarantee, and it has the big guarantee that they have for the windproof lighters. So anyway, so far this thing is really cool. And it's a flexible head. See if my camera, this camera is supposed to have some special features that I hope to use someday. There we go. Anyway, you can see the element in there, and then there's the little hole right there to allow the flame to come out like a regular lighter. And this finish is really nice. I mean, it's just a lighter, I know that, but I like this finish. It's like a flat black. And then it's like the candle lighters. It's got the right there, the standard one like the candle lighters. So anyway, we'll go ahead and fire it up. Okay, I think it's on high, but this is what I thought was cool. So they say they actually use the word wind resistant, but obviously that can almost fall into windproof. I mean, that's hugging windproof more than it is wind resistant. So the wind resistance on this one is definitely better than the OUL lighter. Currently I do not own an OUL lighter. I owned one a couple months ago, but I had to return it, and I did a video on that. And soon there'll be an update, I hope, for the OUL lighter. But this one is pretty nice. I'm impressed with this one. There's still things that I like about the OUL lighter, but this one, until I get a new OUL, this one's definitely going to fill the place of that. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick review on this one. It's not going to be long, but and they sell a silver one of these. But yeah, I like this one a lot. So I'll keep this short. I'm sure there's more videos online about this, or at least more reviews, but I'm doing more of these Zippo videos than I thought I would, and I wanted to replace my OUL with something that was Zippo, and this one definitely works pretty good. I mean, that's just like clockwork. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching, guys.